One recommendation you will frequently get when you test your site's performance with GTmetrix is remove query strings from static resources. Any resource that has either a question mark or an ampersand sign is not usually cached by proxy servers, as they will assume this is dynamic content. But if a static resource has query strings in it, it will not be cached, and this will increase page load time. So, you do not want query strings in static resources. Sometimes using a caching plugin like W3 Total Cache can also result in this issue. If you want to prevent this issue from occurring because of W3 Total Cache, you would want to go to Performance and Browser Cache and make sure this option, Prevent Caching of Objects After Settings Change, has been selected. Let's test our site with GTmetrix to see if this site will get the suggestion to remove query strings from static resources. Here are the results. Let's scroll down. Currently, GTmetrix says there are no static files with query strings, but it's possible that this problem can arise in the future. If you have this issue with your website, you will want to install a plugin, Zendy Speed Query Strings. This is the plugin you would want to install. Let's activate it. You do not have to configure the plugin. Just install it and it will take care of the issue.